Hey everyone, in this lesson we're going to go over captions and subtitles for your online course video production. So first of all, what are captions and subtitles? Well, they're the little pieces of text that have what the person is talking about or what's going on in the scene. They're those pieces of text that show up, similar to closed captions on TV. So there's two kinds of captions and subtitles. So captions are drawn dynamically. They're not burned into the video like subtitles. Subtitles are actually created during the video editing process. So while they're editing the video, they put these pieces of text and they know where they show up all over the video. So that's subtitles, and then captions are more dynamic. You have a set of information. It could be in any language and it shows up and the user decides to turn it on or off. So captions are great for accessibility. So this is where we're helping people who are maybe vision impaired, hearing impaired, mobility impaired, etc. They can choose to get a little extra about maybe they want to see a larger text and things like that. Captions and subtitles are both great for accessibility. And with captions, the students go ahead and use their browser or the app to toggle on and off captions or to do other settings. But with subtitles, you don't really have that option. So it's really part of the video. As a teacher, when you're creating captions, you're recording video and the system will just take care of converting your voice into words and potentially your words into other languages. So it's pretty automatic. But with subtitles, you're really just leveraging a script or you're typing section by section what text you want to appear at what time in your video. With captions, most tools will automatically give you several languages because they're just translating your voice to words and those words to multiple languages. So you can easily get a variety of popular languages, and that'll help you sell your course to more students. Whereas subtitles, you don't really have that ability. And captions, since they're generated by the browser or the application, the user can go ahead and choose the different color, the color of the letters, the color of the background behind the letters, and even the size of the font. Whereas with subtitles, since that's part of the video post-production process, the editor at that point will choose and burn it into the video. So there's sort of this, if there are subtitles, it's kind of set. And then also the same thing with captions. Since it's dynamic, you can go ahead and position those words anywhere on the top, on the bottom, and you can choose where you want it. Whereas subtitles are really designed and picked out by the video editing team, and they place them at a certain location. Hopefully, they might be able to pick out a better spot than maybe with the captions, so that in case there's stuff on the screen, the subtitles are out of the way and you can see what's behind it. So most teachers should leverage captions if they can do it. It's good for accessibility, it's good for more students, and it's not too hard. So now you know the difference between captions and subtitles for your online courses. All right, I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time.